What's up, YouTube? This is Barry here from Vail Skate Supply. Exciting stuff today. I have a new bike and I have a new microphone on my GoPro. So I hope that the sound quality on this video is a lot better than what it's been in the past. And we're going to do a bike check on the new bike. It's a perfect sunny day out here today, so we're headed up to the skate park. I'm really excited about the new microphone and the new bike. And I called my buddy Parker, and we're going to pick him up, so I have somebody to maybe film some stuff after we talk about the bike a little bit. And we're back here at the skate park. We're riding the bikes around. We got the new mic. I hope the sound quality is a lot better today. We also have a new bike today. I ordered this little baby off of the internet. We got it's a Cult frame. It's a 21-inch top tube, 175 cranks. Pretty much all Cult parts, front to back. Plastic pedals. It's got the cassette hub, which means traditional pedal backwards when you roll backwards. I have some brakes on there. I got a little bit of a longer cable set up on there for bar spins, so I can spin my bars around one time and spin them back. It's been great, man. I'm having so much fun up here riding. I'm practicing a couple tricks. I haven't ridden in like 15 years, but I'm going to try to make some short clips of these little easy tricks I'm doing. I hope you like it. As you can see, the sky is as blue as can be up here in Colorado, and it's a beautiful day. So let's do this. Alright, I guess that's going to do it today. I hope you guys liked that little session at the skate park here with my buddies and I, and man, I sure had fun. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and we look forward to seeing you next time here on the channel. Thanks for tuning in. We out.